Can LLC lease a car? Yes, an LLC can lease a car, and many business owners choose this option because it allows the vehicle to be used for company purposes while keeping the lease and liability under the business name. Leasing through an LLC can also make it easier to separate personal and business expenses, which helps maintain liability protection and cleaner bookkeeping. There are tax benefits as well. If the car is used primarily for business, lease payments, insurance, fuel, and maintenance may be deductible. Lenders may require a personal guarantee if your LLC is new or doesn't have strong credit yet. So, it's important to be prepared for that possibility. The short answer is this: an LLC can lease a car and gain tax advantages, but you'll need good records and possibly a personal guarantee if your business credit isn't established. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep it compliant so you can take advantage of business perks like leasing vehicles. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.